Alright, so now that we've learned about the distributive property and combining like terms, we're going to put those together and now should be able to simplify expressions. So when we're simplifying expressions, we're taking a look at trying to get an expression down to its simplest forms. So an algebraic expression is in its simplest form when it has two things. No like terms and no parentheses. So an algebraic expression is in its simplest form when it has no like terms and no parentheses. To simplify an algebraic expression, you follow these steps. First, you distribute. If there's any parentheses, you need to distribute and get rid of the parentheses. And then you combine like terms. So let's look at some examples. Let's look at 3 parentheses x minus 5 plus 8x plus 1. So to simplify this expression, we have to first distribute and then combine like terms. So we're going to distribute by distributing the 3 to what's only inside of the parentheses, because you only distribute to what's inside the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And then I'm just going to rewrite the 8x and 1. And now I'm just combining like terms. So my like terms here are 3x and 8x. So I can circle those if that helps you to see that. 3x plus 8x minus 15 plus 1. So the 3x and the 8x are in circles because they're like terms with the x value. And then the constant terms here are negative 15 and 1. So 3x plus 8x is 11x. And negative 15 plus 1 is minus 14. And then you're done. Because now I cannot simplify this any further. There are no like terms, and there are no parentheses. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say I give you 5 parentheses n plus 6 minus 21. So same idea, we're going to distribute to inside the parentheses. So I have 5 times n and 5 times 6. So 5n plus 30. I do not distribute the 5 to the 21 because it's not inside the parentheses. So here I just write minus 21. So my like terms on this example, there are no other n terms, so the 5n just stays by itself. Now I've just got 30 take away 21, which would be 9. So 5n plus 9. And again, I cannot simplify further because there are no like terms and there are no parentheses. Let's look at two more examples. We have negative 7w plus 4 plus 2w minus 15. So we're going to take that number in front of the parentheses and distribute. So negative 7w minus 28, remember be careful with the negatives, plus 2w minus 15. So I only distribute to inside the parentheses, and now I combine like terms. Negative 7w and 2w is negative 5w, and negative 28 minus 15 is negative 43. And then those are not like terms, so I do not combine them, and I'm done. Alright, one more example, and then you should be ready to go. 12 times 4 minus k minus 9k. So to simplify this, I'm distributing inside the parentheses again. Remember, our first step is always to distribute and then combine like terms. So 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times negative k is negative 12k. And then minus 9k, because that one is not being distributed. It's not inside the parentheses. The like terms here are negative 12k and negative 9k, so I have to subtract those. So I have 48 minus 21k. And then you're done. So now you should be able to simplify expressions and by combining like terms and distributing.